Useful conversations for improving English. You are watching Fluent English Class. At a job interview. What is your name?
My name is Rena.
Tell me about your work experience.
I worked in sales for 3 years.
Why do you want this job?
I like helping people, and I heard good things about this company.
What are your strengths?
I'm good at communicating and working in a team.
Can you give an example of when you solved a problem at work?
Once, I found a way to increase sales by talking to customers and understanding their needs.
How do you handle stress?
I take short breaks and focus on one task at a time.
What motivates you?
I like seeing progress and knowing I make a difference.
How do you handle feedback?
I appreciate feedback and use it to improve my performance.
Describe a situation where you had to meet a tight deadline.
I organized tasks, stayed focused, and completed each step on time.
What skills do you bring to this role?
I'm good with Microsoft Office, and I have strong attention to detail.
How do you prioritize your work?
I make a to-do list and tackle the most important tasks first.
What's your approach to working with a diverse team?
I respect everyone's ideas and try to understand different perspectives.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to have grown in my role and taken on more responsibilities.
How do you stay updated in your field?
I read industry news and attend relevant workshops or webinars.
Why should we hire you?
I'm motivated, adaptable, and I believe my skills match what you're looking for.
Any questions for us?
No, not at this moment.
Thank you for your time. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.
At a casual networking event. Hey! I don't think we've met before. I'm Chris. What brings you to this event?
Hi, Chris. I'm Maya. I am interested in networking. I think it's important for my career.
Cool. Any specific area you're into?
Sustainability and innovation. Something big on the eco-friendly stuff.
Interesting. Have you attended events like this before?
Yep, I have. Been to a few conferences and meetups.
Nice. What's the best part of networking for you?
Building connections, finding collaboration, and meeting new people.
Any challenges in networking? How do you handle them?
Breaking the ice in big events. Asking open questions, and of course staying focused.
Great tips. New to networking? Any advice?
Start conversations, be yourself, start building relationships.
Thanks, Maya. Looking forward to connecting more. A college reunion conversation. Hey, Sarah. It's been ages since college. How have you been?
Hi, John. I'm good, busy with work. And you?
Same here, working hard. Remember our crazy late-night study sessions?
Oh, definitely. Those were unforgettable. What about that epic graduation party?
That was a blast. By the way, have you heard from Mark or Lisa?
Mark's in finance, doing well. Lisa's in Europe, exploring.
Nice. Did you see Mike? He's a professor now.
No way. That's amazing. College really shaped us.
Totally. Speaking of which, any plans for our class reunion?
I heard it's next month. Can't wait to catch up with everyone.
Me too. We should organize something fun for the old gang.
Absolutely. Let's make it a reunion to remember.
Agreed. Time flies, but our memories from college are timeless.
Cheers to that, John. See you at the reunion.
A neighborhood gathering conversation. Hi there. I'm Alex, your new neighbor. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hello, Alex. I'm Laura. Welcome. If you need anything, feel free to ask.
Thanks, Laura. How long have you lived here?
It's been 10 years. We do have a lovely community, you'll feel at home.
That's great. Any favorite local spots?
The park is nice, and it's great for walks. The bakery on Oak Street is just amazing.
Wonderful. Any neighborhood events I should know about?
The block party in summer, and the holiday potlucks. All these are really fun events. You'll enjoy.
Sounds great. Do you have kids?
Yes, 2. Tim and Lily. They love the community too.
Nice. I'll keep an eye out for them. Thanks for the warm welcome, Laura.
Anytime, Alex. Feel free to drop by.